Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I have a viral math puzzle that is currently breaking the internet. Thousands of people have tried it, but 99% of them fail on their first attempt. Before I show you the puzzle, let me lay down the golden rule: no calculators allowed. You have to use your pure brainpower for this one. Are you ready? Here is the challenge on the board: can you make the exact number 100 using exactly 6 nines? Let me repeat that: you must use the number 9 exactly 6 times. No more, no less. Okay, welcome back. Did you try it? Let's talk about why this puzzle is so beautifully frustrating. When most people see this, their brain immediately goes into overdrive trying basic arithmetic. Let's map out how a typical mind tries to tackle this on the whiteboard, and why these common methods fail. Attempt number 1, simple addition. What if we just add them up? Let's write it down: 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. Let's count the nines: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. But what does this equal? 9 times 6 is equal to 54. We are nowhere near 100. We are short by 46. So, simple addition is out the window. Attempt number 2, multiplication and subtraction. People think, okay, we need a bigger number fast, let's use multiplication. What if we group them? Open parenthesis 9 times 9 close parenthesis plus open parenthesis 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 close parenthesis. 9 by 9 gives us 81. Then we add the remaining 4 nines, which is 36. 81 plus 36 is equal to 117. Ah. Now we overshot 100. We went too high. What if we change one sign to subtraction? Open parenthesis 9 times 9 close parenthesis plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 minus 9. That gives us 81 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 minus 9 is equal to 99. Wow. We got 99. We are so close, just one away from 100. But look at the board, we used exactly 6 nines, but we reached 99, not 100. This is the exact moment where most people get stuck and quit. They think it's mathematically impossible. But it is not impossible. The trick is algebra, and thinking outside the box. Now, let's erase the board and look at this logically. How do we close that tiny gap between 99 and 100? We need exactly one more. Think about it, we want 99 plus 1 to equal 100. If we can somehow create the number 99 using some of our nines, and create the number 1 using the remaining nines, we win the challenge. Let's look at our ingredients. We have 6 nines available. How can we make 99 instantly? Easy. We can just write the double-digit number 99. That uses up 2 of our nines. Let's write that on the board: 99, count, 2 nines used, 4 nines remaining. Now, we need to add 1 to this 99. How do we create the number 1 using the remaining 4 nines? Think about division. Any number divided by itself equals 1, right? So, 9 divided by 9 equals 1. Let's try to build on that. If we write 99 plus the fraction 99 over 99. Let's do a strict reality check and count our nines on the board right now. First 9, in the first 99, second 9, in the first 99, third 9, in the numerator 99, fourth 9, in the numerator 99, fifth 9, in the denominator 99, and sixth 9, in the denominator 99. Look at that. We have used exactly 6 nines. No more, no less. But wait, before we celebrate, we have to prove it mathematically using the proper rules of mathematics, the order of operations, also known as BODMAS or PEMDAS. According to mathematical rules, we cannot just calculate from left to right blindly. Division always comes before addition. Let's solve the division part first. What is 99 divided by 99? That equals 1. Now, we substitute that back into our original equation on the whiteboard: 99 plus 1. And what does 99 plus 1 equal? It equals exactly 100. Let's write the final beautiful equation clearly on the board so everyone can appreciate it. 99 plus the fraction 99 over 99 equals 100. It works flawlessly. It is clean, it is elegant, and it completely follows the rules of algebra without any illegal tricks. Isn't that absolutely brilliant? It shows how a puzzle that looks intimidating at first becomes so simple once you break it down step by step using logic. Did you manage to solve this before I revealed the answer? Or did you come up with a completely different mathematical combination using 6 nines that also equals 100? If you did, type your equation in the comments below. I read and reply to every single one. If you enjoyed this mind-bending puzzle and want to challenge your brain every week, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with your friends to see if they can crack it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on. Thank you so much for watching, keep practicing your math, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.